Hello friends, I am ashok.sanodiya and I welcome you back in your own organic gardening channel. Friends, there are so many small and beautiful plants which are known as succulents and required a different type of soil mix from the normal garden soil. And for growing succulents, it is most important to understand about the soil mix that help and support these small plants to grow well. And in today's video, we are going to explain about preparing the soil mix that help these small plants to grow well. And the most important part that we can prepare this soil mix from easy to available items. So if you are also planning to grow these succulents in your home garden, then please see this video till the end for knowing the complete information. So friends, first of all, we would like to explain something and the most important thing about the succulent plants that will help you to understand about the soil quality on which the succulents are originally grown. The succulents are originally grown in dry and desert location where the temperature is extremely warm and dry over the year. And before going in deep, we must understand that why these plants are called succulents. And the answer is that the word succulents come from the Latin word succus, which means juice or sap. So all those plants which store juice, sap or water in their leaves and stem are called succulents. And this store water and juice help them to survive in extremely hot and arid environment by providing constant moisture. And if we talk about the soil quality, then due to the dry and arid environment, the area soil always be loose, dry, gritty and contain very less nutrient. And all succulents originally developed themselves to grow well in such kind of soil only. So whenever we plan to grow succulents in our home garden, then we must consider all these points during selecting any soil media for potting them. So after knowing about these points, I hope you have gotten an idea about the soil requirement for succulents. And now we will explain that how we can make this type of soil at our home by using easy to available items. So please do not skip this part till the end. So for making such kind of soil, first of all we will take the sand as a first item because sand is very easy to available item in all areas. And this sand will help us to keep our succulent soil loose and dry as it drains the water quickly. So based on our soil requirement, we will take 2 parts of sand and pour it inside the mixing tray. After taking the sand, now we will take 1 part of organic compost which nutrient value should be less. And here we can use cow dung compost, vermicompost and kitchen waste compost because these are very easy to available and best option for providing enough nutrient to our succulent plants. So we will take 1 part of organic compost and pour it inside the mixing tray. After taking the organic compost, now we can take another easy to available item which we can make by breaking soil bricks in small pieces. And these small pieces of bricks work as an alternative of perlite which is always suggested for making succulent soil. But here we can use small pieces of bricks also as they work same as perlite do. Because if we compare the quality between perlite and bricks pieces, then both are made by almost same process. Perlite made naturally in high temperature by volcanic glass, and due to the high temperature it contains many air pockets which help us to retain moisture and air for our plants. And it is too lightweight and comes in white color. And bricks are made manually by casting soil and heating in high temperature, and due to the high temperature it also contains many small size of air pockets which help us to retain moisture and air for our plants. But it is heavy and comes in red color. Other than this, the perlite is too costly and everyone cannot get it easily. But the bricks are almost everywhere and we can get it easily, almost free of cost. So due to this quality, we can consider it for making our succulent soil mix. And after taking 1 part of small bricks pieces, now we will pour it in our mixing tray. Now after this we can take half amount of the coco peat powder which can help us to keep our soil media light weighted, and it will also help us to retain moisture. so we can use it in little amount also. And at the end we can use neem cake powder for keeping our plants safe from the fungus problem. And over the time it will also provide enough nutrients to our plants, so we should try to keep it in our succulent soil mix. Now we have taken all required items that can help us to make a good soil mix for all types of succulent plants. And all these items are easy to available, and we can skip some of them by local area alternatives. So if you feel difficulty, then please write us and we will try to suggest best alternative for you. So after taking all these items, now we will mix all of them together so that each particle will mix with each other in proper way. And after the proper mixing, our easy to made succulent soil is ready, and we can grow any types of succulents in this soil mix for keeping them safe and healthy. I hope this information will help you, and for any further query, please write us in comments box and we will try to answer you soon. Thank you.